Look what I got. Got some fish, some rice, some corn, some more rice. Well, hey guys, this is B-Rax back on B-Rax Talks today, man. And I went to Long John Silver's to try their baked cod. And you know what? I'm very disappointed in this. This doesn't look nothing like the picture. In the picture, they had 3 pieces with this sauce on it. What the hell is this? 1 piece with... Come on, dude. They gave me some corn, which I asked for. Some more rice. But they didn't give me any hush puppies. The menu online gave you hush puppies and 3 pieces of this. Shouldn't even eat this. But I'll try it. I'm kind of pissed off now, man. Supposed to give you 3 pieces of this. Well, anyways, fish is kind of hard. Like, it's not real. It has a good buttery taste, but it's tough. Anyways, it's good. I'll get it again, but I don't understand why I only have 1 piece. This is all they gave me. In like 2 bites. Shit. That's a... You know, man. Let me review this rice for y'all. The rice is really good. Has nice seasoning, nice butter to it. But man, y'all need to go look on the menu and look up the baked cod meal at Long John Silver's. It'll show you 3 pieces with some sauce on it. Do you see a sauce on this? Let me show y'all. Y'all see a red sauce on this? No. There's seasonings, but there's no sauce. Man, I'm kind of disappointed. I paid $8.50 for that. I mean, yeah, you get the sides, but I went for the fish. Didn't go for sides. Man, now I gotta go get something else just to get more protein. Because this is my post-workout meal. No, I'm never getting this again at Long John Silver's. It tasted good, yeah, but the quality sucks. Damn, dude, come on. Long John Silver? No, shut. Y'all fried fish tastes like crap, too. It's good, though, but... it's not what I wanted. I asked for the baked cod meal, and I thought that was like 3 hush puppies, 3 pieces of fish that you get with this, rice, and 2 sides, and a drink. And they didn't give me a drink. Maybe the lady didn't know what she was doing. I don't know. Dude, this is just coated in butter, dude. Let me show you. Look at that. It's just coated in butter, this rice and fish. I don't know if I can see. Kind of see it a little bit right there, see? Yeah, it tastes great. Well, not great, but good. But for this review, Long John Silver's, you're getting a bad review because you're going to eat one piece of fish, and on the menu online, it showed 3, or at least 2, and sauce, and hush puppies, and a drink. I didn't get none of that. So now I have to go somewhere else and get like a cheeseburger just so I get my protein because I got a good shoulder workout in earlier, and I need some more protein. And that little piece of fish ain't enough protein. This is all carbs I got here. Alright. Subscribe to my channel, Rax Talks. I don't recommend I don't think y'all should get the bait cod Long John Silver's, or even go to Long John Silver's for that matter, ever. You don't need to. That place is garbage. Every time I've been there like 3 times, I've never liked their fish. I'm not saying the baked fish wasn't good, but you don't get what you pay for. So don't go to that place. Alright. B-Rax out.